Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Best Class Online. We are learning about biology, first chapter, cell structure and function, 9th class. So let's start. So first we want to understand what is cell, and next then what is structure and function. So first we will understand cell. So what is cell? Cell is a basic unit of life. So cell meaning is cell is a basic unit of life. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell have two types. So what is two types? Cell have two types. Unicellular, multicellular. These are two types. So what is unicellular? Cellular. So what is unicellular? Uni means single. Cellu means cell. Lar means organism. Unicellular means single cell organism. So unicellular means single cell organism. Example of unicellular. Example of unicellular is bacteria, amoeba, virus, etc. This was about unicellular. Now next second type of cell is multicellular. So what is multicellular? Multi means is equals to many or single. Many or more than one. Now cellu means I explained in unicellular. Cellu means cell. Lar means organism. Multicellular means many or more than one cell organism. More than one. Example of multicellular. animal. Animal have multicellular. Animal is multicellular organism. Animal have trillion or million cell have. So next example is human. Human also multicellular organism. Next, plant. Plant have multicellular. We have also multicellular organism because we have trillion million of cells. Now multicellular, cellular, multicellular and unicellular we have learned. Next is what is structure of cell and parts and cell organelles. So let's study about structures, cell structures. Cell have plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, animal cell. Animal cell. Animal cell, we have come in animal cell. Animal cell also called human cell. So differences between animal cell and plant cell. So what is this? What is plant cell? So what is plant cell and animal cell? Please see on the screen plant cell and animal cell parts. Animal cell and plant cell parts, please see on the screen. This is plant cell and this is animal cell. So you have to see many names of parts of the cell, but 4 parts of plant cell and animal parts is 3, but other parts are organelles. Plant cell have 4 parts. First, cell wall. Second, cell membrane. Third, cytoplasm. Fourth, nucleus. Now, animal cell parts is cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Animal cell have 3 parts and plant cell have 4 parts. Plant cell wall present in plant cell wall absent in animal cell. So we have studied about parts. Next, come to the plant cell organelles and animal cell organelles. So what is organelles? We study. अब हम जो पढ़ने वाले हैं प्लांट सेल और एनिमल सेल के ऑर्गेनल्स के बारे में, यानी जो हम प्लांट सेल के मैंने बोला था 4 पार्ट रहते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट cell wall. Second part, cell membrane. Third part, cytoplasm. Fourth part, is nucleus. Now these are plant cell parts. So cell wall present in plant cell. प्लांट सेल में ये प्रेजेंट रहता. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एनिमल सेल. व्हाट इज एनिमल सेल पार्ट्स? फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सेल मेम्ब्रेन. second is cytoplasm. Third is nucleus. This is animal cell parts. आप सोच रहे होंगे यहाँ पर सेल वॉल है, लेकिन एनिमल सेल में क्यों सेल वॉल नहीं है? क्योंकि एनिमल सेल में सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट नहीं एब्सेंट रहता. सेल वॉल में मतलब प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट रहता. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज प्लांट सेल ऑर्गेनल्स and animal cell organelles. Please see on the screen animal cell organelles and plant cell organelles. So what is plant cell organelles? Please see on the screen. Endoplasmic reticulum have two parts: rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Plasmodesma, vesicle, peroxisome, lysosome, Golgi apparatus. This is plant cell organelles. Now next is animal cell organelles. First, mitochondrion, vacuole, Golgi complex, vesicle, lysosome, peroxisomes, centrioles, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, microtubules. So this is about plant cell and animal cell organelles. First is ER, endomic reticulum. So next is vacuole. Plant cell vacuole have big. Animal cell have small vacuole. So third organelle is mitochondria. mitochondria. Fourth is Golgi body. Fifth is chloroplast. These are plant cell organelle. Now next is animal cell organelles. Now what is first animal cell organelle? ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Second, vacuole. Third, vacuole is small in animal cell. Now third is mitochondria. Fourth is Golgi body. So animal cell organelles have four organelles have. Plant cell organelles is 5, but animal cell have 4 because chloroplast is absent in animal cell. Because plant cell, why present in plant cell chloroplast? Because plant is green, so chloroplast give greenish color to plant. This is work of chloroplast in the cell. So this is first chapter, cell structure and function part, introduction part 1. Now that's for all today. Please like and subscribe to my channel.